This tutorial describes what I would term selection by algorithm. Let's get a molecule in here first of all. Let's choose an amino acid, alpha helix, ACE, 1, 2, 3, 4, NME, two blocking groups on the two ends. So here's a molecule. Let's do a calculation on this, some kind of semi-empirical. So here's our wave function computed. Now let's color this thing. Preferences, let's color all the bonds red, say. So we now have a red molecule. Now we have a wave function for this, so we can go up and select, and we can select various things. We can select by string, that is, we can select any of the gly or the ACE or NME that we have there. We can select by atom names, by atom type, by the symbol, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen that are there, or we can select by number. So residue number and so on. Let's do it by charge. So let's do charges where the charge is greater than minus 0.1 and less than 0.1. So these are the atoms that are very slightly charged. No big charges, negative or positive, and only little charges. So these are the neutral atoms, if you like. So we make that selection, and that selection is in green. So the red atoms are the charged atoms, and the green ones are the relatively uncharged atoms. It's just a way of making selection. Now we could operate on the selection in some fashion if we wanted to, or whatever. But the select dialog box allows you to select atoms in a variety of ways, including something like this that's sort of based on a value like the charge of the atom.